Here's a quick tutorial on how to destroy a Hino. Nah, just kidding, it's actually a pass-through window tutorial by Drew. That's the back wall?
Yeah, I just started doing that.
All right, we'll be back soon. Let's let him finish up. And this is the pass-through window, so you can do exactly that, pass through. I thought you bought a TV at first, that's why I'm like, what's going on here? Yeah, this is basically a TV where you can watch the whole world go by. Just hop in the back, look straight ahead, and you'll get views like these. That's exactly why we built the Fuso same TV, same idea. For anyone who feels the call to get off their comfortable couch and start a real adventure. And, by the way, this vehicle is for sale. Back to the Hino. So we are recycling or upcycling oil cooler rad.
Now it's going to be a power steering cooler. For the
Mishimoto. And what's it called? What kind of steering?
Hydra-steer. Hydraulic.
Okay. And why is it better?
It's still live after the orbital pump still provides back pressure. So if your car dies while you're driving down the highway, you still have the steering, which is required by law.
By law, yeah.
Yeah, we can use some. Maybe not use all this hose, but we'll definitely use this high pressure through the cooler. Don't get any mounts. That's it.
Make up your own. Haha. The last bit that's holding the door panel. I'd love to help you out, Drew, but the manuals are in Japanese.
Revealing it's just this rubber that's bashed down or something, right? Oh, it's just glue. Oh, it's a bunch of black crap. Okay, now what's...
Nothing a little intuition, experience, and some muscle can't fix.
Breaking. I don't know what was holding it.
And when you have no idea what it was, the answer is always super glue. So what do we have here? Is it a Hino or is it a Toyota? Here's something most people don't know. Hino is a Toyota brand, has been since the 60s. But here's the part that'll blow your mind. This same truck company, they've raced in the Dakar Rally multiple times. So yeah, our fire truck comes from a bloodline that's crossed deserts. Maybe it was always meant to end up here as an overland rig. They're popping out pretty easily. That's a pretty big pile of door gaskets and seals. That's a lot.
I don't see a hole for the screen.
No. So almost all the doors are good to go now. It's so cool to see the Japanese writing. Well, at least the outline of the writing on the door. Have you seen this, Drew?
Yeah, well then on the front it says fire.
Yeah, on the front it says fire. On the side it's Probably says fire in Japanese.
They knew that slang in 2002.
Yeah.
Everything's fire.
Put a fire emoji on this truck.
Very good.
Where?
Oh.
Japanese dirt. To put it in the jar.
You know what? We could probably take all these off now because it doesn't. The doors don't have to be closed as long as they're, because we're gonna end up sealing it anyway.
Yeah. What's red is gonna be sand color, right?
Yep. White. I think we leave white.
Yeah.
Or
that's the OEM paint.
Or we could even do this the sand color, but I don't know. But I think tan and white. Because I don't want to change all this, right?
No. No, this is nice.
The white's all nice.
OEM paint. Beautiful. Almost ready for sanding. Bumpers getting designed. And while we wait for that, let's take a look at what we've got here to remove and relocate.
It's like an external cooler.
Oh, I see.
I don't know what all it does, but it seems like it's, the rad's a little bigger.
Yeah?
A little thicker.
Well, I guess being a fire truck, it must have some upgraded cooling system. It's still a clutch fan?
Still a clutch fan.
Is it bigger? The fan? Do you think it's bigger than the Fuso's?
The fan actually looks smaller.
Really? Interesting.
Broken.
And that's exactly why we decided to give it a shot and change it.
Hey, we just got a new fan blade for this one was broken. So we're gonna change this out, get it in there, and take the electric fan out and put the clutch fan back in. So apparently the clutch fan's gonna do a better job cooling. We will see. This fits.
We said, give it a shot for a reason.
It does not fit.
Doesn't look like it's happening.
Scratch that.
Not right now.
Some idea, the way nicer all the way this is all.
Yeah, this one does look thicker.
I don't know where the AC is going to go yet. I haven't even thought of that.
And what's this here? This canister?
Oh, the air conditioning.
Oh, gotcha.
So this air conditioning was here.
Uh-huh.
So I don't know where it's going to go. It'd be nice to put AC back in it.
Yeah, sure.
But
For the hot days.
I mean, it might fit back here if the orbital's not that big for the steering, but from the steering, I don't need a rod anymore to go that way. It's just hoses. So it's going to be a lot better.
And speaking of better,
Goodbye, red door. We're gonna make you look dated.